Here in this video, you can see Chuck coming out of the house with his owner and him acting very, very reactive upon first meet.
That's what we've been doing is
and
positive,
that's fine,
but,
and that's fine. It may be fine if your dog is chewing on your pillow and the dog stops. Okay, fine, reward it.
Right.
But if this dog decides to chew on your kid,
that's
you're
my
not
problem.
exactly going to wait till he's done chewing on your kid.
Right.
You know, and so you've got to be able to do it. So again, this is a tool. 5 minutes. Done. That's it.
Yeah.
Now I can approach. Now I can pet. Good boy. No problem. I can put him with another dog. And now he's curious. He's interested. He wants to go out. He wants to do things. And as you can see, he doesn't care because he has nothing to worry about.
Right.
If his energy was bad, he would be over the hill saying, no, no thank you. But he's fine. And now we're going to do this real quick. Watch. Ready? Go.
Yeah,
We get pictures with you touching that dog.
yeah. See, watch. Chuck, come. Oh, there's a good boy. Look at you, good boy. And the honor. Go on. All right, come on. Go on. Go do your thing. Go do your thing. Good boy. Come on. See? That's it. And now he's looking for you for approval, going, hey. Look at that. See, Mom, I can be a good boy.
I know you have it in you.
There it is.
You get him? Huh? You can play with Hunter?
Good boy. Oh, there's a good boy. Come here. There's a good boy. See? Good boy, Chuck. Thank you. Thank you. Good man. Okay, guys. So, from the initial meet of Chuck, Chuck was very reactive. Had I gone through that gate, he probably would have bitten me. The owner holding him and restraining him with that harness was only making it worse because he was very defensive. It wasn't until we got that training collar on, Herm Springer 2.25. We put that on, and as soon as we got that on and spent a few minutes just working with him, I was able to get in with him and take him out for a walk and do some basic obedience and just build some trust with him. And as soon as that happened, that's when we introduced our ambassador dog, Hunter. Hunter is a very well-balanced, very calm, confident dog. He kind of sets the tone for everything and keeps everybody at ease with a lot of things, especially with dogs that are reactive, whether it be they're reactive with people, whether they're reactive with other dogs. But we like to use him for that reason. And within a very short time, he turned around and Chuck just completely went from being super reactive to being very curious and very responsive with me, myself, and with the, with our ambassador dog, Hunter. So if this is something you guys liked, click the like button on our Facebook page, follow our Facebook page, Timber Mountain Training Services. And if you guys, anyone needs help, looking into working with your dog that may have some behavioral issues or just some basic training you're looking for, give us a shout. All right. Again, thanks for checking out this video. Have a good weekend.